And an international court has ordered Egypt to pay $1.7 billion to Israel in compensation over a gas supply deal that went bad. Now, Egypt had suspended gas supplies to Israel for security reasons after the two countries had signed a 20-year contract in 2008 for the supply of natural gas. Now, here's Yasser Hakim with the reaction to this court verdict from Cairo.
The dispute dates back to 2012. Deliveries of gas to Israel halted due to multiple terrorist attacks on the gas pipelines in northern Sinai. 40% of Israel's total consumption depended on Egyptian gas. Naturally, the sharp drop in supply affected Israeli companies. The buyer, Israeli Electricity Company, filed for compensation and received $1.7 billion verdict plus expenses from the Egyptian Natural Gas, ENG.
The Egyptian side did not intend to cut deliveries of gas to Israel after the 25th of January revolution, but there were emergency circumstances. That is included in most contracts, which allow for suspension for either party in the case of extreme emergency. Actually, every time the gas pipes were bombed, Egypt tried to fix and resume supplies.
This is a substantial amount for an economically distraught country. Egypt has appealed, but is also considering other options to avoid payment.
Egypt was planning to import gas from Israel. Now it froze these negotiations. Jordan was going to import 50% of its gas needs from Israel in 2016, but it has now stopped negotiations. There is concern in Israel, especially Prime Minister Netanyahu, and he's trying to convince his government that sustaining good ties with these two countries regarding the gas issues is vital for the safety of Israel's national security.
Israel announced it is sending an envoy to reach a solution acceptable to both sides. $1.7 billion is a huge compensation that would put more burden on Egypt's state budget. But what's clear is that both sides are willing to end this dispute through compromise rather than a standoff. Yasser Hakim for CCTV, Cairo.